we have our puppies here, so let's talk a little bit more about what we can do with those to enhance the prompt, make it a little bit better so that we get a bit more defined results. Obviously, when we did this, we just said cute puppy and it came up with that puppy on its own. So we can add some details. And what I like to tell people when they're doing prompts like this for Midjourney is to tell Midjourney a story. Give it some action, give it the subject, give it some action, and then give it some details, what you really want it to do. So in this, let's say I want a cute Dalmatian puppy bounding through fall leaves. Since it's fall, we'll go with that. And then let's look at a couple of other things. So let's give it a distant medium range. We'll give it some medium range shot from the side. Let's give it some lighting instructions. So we're going to make it, let's just go with natural lighting. No, let's make it a little more energetic. So cinematic lighting, and we're going to give it DSLR camera, tight depth of field, so that's going to blur the foreground and backgrounds, or it should. And let's see what else. So let's give it a big aspect ratio so we can get that cinematic feel, and we'll hit enter and let it go. So let's see what it's going to do with our cute Dalmatian puppy bounding through the leaves. Now that we've kind of told it a story, and we'll see what it's going to do. So here we have our puppy. That's definitely decided it's a Dalmatian. So we've got the spots, the quintessential white and black spots of that particular dog, and looks very photorealistic already. So let's take a look at some of these. They're very cute. Definitely more on the photorealistic side and more on that Dalmatian side. And you can see, obviously, it got that tight depth of field. So we've got that blurred background and the focus really tightly on our subject, and the blurred foreground. So let's upgrade one of these real quick. We'll just do number one and take a look at it once it finishes. So we'll take a look at our puppy. So you can see how photorealistic. It's got those nice highlights from the lighting on this puppy. We can see the detail in the leaves, and that, again, tight depth of field where it's got the blurred background and the blurred foreground, and you're really focused in that action area of the dog. So that's how you can get some basic prompt strategies. Just think about it more of a story rather than just saying, oh, I want X, Y, and Z. Give it a story and it will create better details.